Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is vlog style. Sorry for the I'm too cool for school, I think I'm famous sunglasses. I just am naked face underneath and ew. Yeah, today's video is going to be vlog style. I'm going to leave time markers maybe on the screen, but definitely in the description box below for where you can fast forward if you're just interested in a certain part of my day today. So first, right now I'm at Dollar Tree. I did not plan on making a stop here, but I need something, which I'll get into in a second. But I am going grocery shopping because I'm going to share my favorite ever, easy, super simple, short ingredient list fall crockpot recipe with you guys, even though it's like 90 degrees out.
Oh my God.
But I just want something quick and simple for dinner tonight. So I'm going to share that recipe with you guys. I'm also going to be setting a cute little fall tablescape on my kitchen table. So I'm going to share my Dollar Tree tablescape. I just got a couple new items from Dollar Tree that are so cute, and I forgot to grab one thing that I wanted, so I'm back here. Oh yeah, when I go to Kroger, I want to show you guys the fall and Halloween decor, or like a couple of my favorite things, because they have such cute stuff there. I don't need to buy any more. So we'll see if I can hold myself to that. So anyways, I'm gonna head into Dollar Tree and I will see you guys in there. So freaking hot, my goodness. Is it hot where you guys are? I wish it would cool down, but I am not going to complain because I am not, you know, like battling a hurricane or anything like that. And I hope those of you who have bad weather, predicted bad weather and all of that, that you're all doing okay. So anyways, I just walked out of Dollar Tree. I have my bag. And the only thing that I got in there are a couple of these leaf tea light holders. I really wanted the orange ones, but all they had left were 3 clear ones and 1 orange one, and I needed 2. So anyways, I just got these. There was some Christmas in the store, which, not gonna lie, I was in Dollar Tree yesterday and I saw the Christmas and I did buy a couple things. I am going to get out of here, head to Kroger, and I will take you guys in there with me to look at their fall decor. Oh my God, I forgot to put my famous sunglasses on. Celebrity sunglasses. Dang it, now you guys have seen my naked face. Okay, so we're in the fall decor section and they have these gnomes for $12.99, like the big version of the little one that I have. And look at these cute pumpkins. These are $6.39, and then there's little ones for $3.99. They're adorable. I should get this for my new last initial. I mean, I won't have that until next year, but still. They have all of this cute stuff. This is really pretty. I love black with like the, you know, the lighter colors on it. Kind of looks like a chalkboard. I'm pretty sure I've seen this at Joann's. $12.99, and then this looks like one of the Dollar Tree signs, although this one is much bigger, but you could easily DIY that if you have any of those signs left over. Spice Baby, that's cute. $4.99. Look at how absolutely stunning this wreath is. It's the perfect combination of the neutral leaves with like the pops of fall color. It's $29.99. Look at all this cute pastel, kind of childish Halloween stuff they have. These plates are just so cute. Candy jars. You're the Ghoulist. Boo to You. And Scary Cute. So they have all of this stuff, and this is my favorite. Just Be Crazy. It's really big. It's $16. They also have this cute Wicked sign for $3.99. It is black. skeleton unicorn and iridescent, of course, and this is like a skeleton teddy bear. Okay, you guys, I did not even notice when I first came over here. Somebody left a freaking eaten banana. That's disgusting. I have no idea how long that's been here. I'm seriously considering getting this little guy. I don't know. Look at this. They have a 60-inch skeleton for $29.99. It almost looks life size. It does say indoor use only, but anyways, I think that's the cheapest that I've seen one. Okay, you guys, I'm back from Kroger and Dollar Tree, and I am at home, but before I go inside, I want to show you what I got, because I did get a couple little decor things, even though I said I wasn't going to, but my excuse is that they are both Halloween, and I don't have really any Halloween decor. So I got this pumpkin with the black flowers around it for my entryway. This guy was, I think, $7.99. Everything's on sale. It's resin. And I just think it'll go really cute with the next item that I got, which is this sign that says Happy Halloween, no glitter or anything. This was $3.99, and it's just, I don't know, maybe like 1.5 feet long. A couple other things that I got. Oh, I forgot about these. I got these two little, I think these are little dipping dishes. They were $1.59, and they're like a kind of a mix of mustard and orange. I got these in case the little tea light holders that are leaf shaped from Dollar Tree that I showed you guys, if those don't work out, I'll try to use these. And then I also grabbed some discount flowers. So they happen to have a bunch of eucalyptus, and they had all different kinds for $2.99 on clearance. These are still fresh. I don't know if you can tell. I always check the discount little flower section at Kroger. I call it the flower graveyard. Because a lot of times they just have to move out the flowers, and they're not even anywhere near dead. They just have to move them out to put new stock out. And then I also got these white mums, or they're calling them palms. I guess that's the same thing. These are $5. So anyways, that's it. We're gonna go inside, start cooking. We will set up the table. All right, let's go inside. Okay, you guys, so here's what you're gonna need for the recipe. We are making crockpot chicken and stuffing. It almost tastes just like Thanksgiving dinner. So you need chicken breast defrosted. You need sour cream. You need either 1 large can or 2 small cans of cream of chicken soup, 1 small bag of frozen green beans, and then 2 boxes of stuffing mix. Now this is not a keto or low carb recipe. I have fallen off the wagon, but this is kind of like my last hurrah. So I'm actually going to be making a cocktail tonight as well, with some apple cider and maybe dessert. I don't know. I forgot to pick up apple cider, so I have to run back out to the store. But I'm going to show you how to assemble this in the crock pot. I have already sprayed my crock pot down with some non-stick cooking spray, and I have not cooked in a crock pot in a minute, so I'm excited for a crock pot meal. And yeah, let's start cooking. Okay, so after you spray down your crock pot, the next thing you do is layer your chicken breast in. Try not to have them overlap. So the next step you are going to do is layer your dry stuffing on top of the chicken. Okay, so I have my sour cream and the soup mixed together, so I am going to go ahead and pour that on top. I did not do the best job mixing this, but you can kind of mix it on top. And I know it's not super appetizing just to see these two mixed together, but it makes it so, so good. Next, you are going to take your frozen green beans and just put those over the top. The last step is to pour a cup of water over top. So now I'm gonna turn my crock pot to high. I have a basic one that doesn't have a timer or anything, but I am going to have that going for 4 hours. Halfway through, I will fluff the stuffing. And honestly, sometimes this takes less than 4 hours. You also can set it to low for 7 to 8 hours. It's up to you, but again, the recipe will be down below if you guys want to try this for yourself. I have some stuff in the sink. Ignore that. I need to load that into the dishwasher. But when I was at Kroger, I picked up some flowers. I actually still have some of these. I think these are football mums or maybe spider mums. They're so pretty. These were from Whole Foods. I got a huge bouquet of them for $5. I made an arrangement for my mom, and I had just a few left over. So I think I'm gonna add this and this to this for my little centerpiece on my table today. But you could easily just use faux flowers from Dollar Tree. They have really pretty faux peonies right now for fall. If I have some, let me try to dig them out and show you guys. Okay, I did find some of my Dollar Tree peonies. Let me move this out of the way so you guys can see. So similar look to these for sure. I mean, of course you can't beat the real thing, but very pretty. For your tablescape, if you want to create a similar one to the one that I'm showing you, you could absolutely get these from Dollar Tree. Here is the tablescape that I came up with. So much of this is from Dollar Tree, and I think it's just really simple but still impactful and super elegant. And of course there are a couple things that are not from Dollar Tree, which I'll let you know where everything is from. So here is the floral arrangement that I made. I ended up not liking the little white palms in there, so I just put the eucalyptus in. I don't know, I just love this eucalyptus. So the flowers, again, are from Trader Joe's. They were $5, and it came with a ton more than just the 3 that are in here, but I gave them to my mom, and then the eucalyptus was $3 on sale at Kroger. It's all sitting on this little wood slice that I got for $10 from Amazon, and I have been using this since the summertime. I will probably just use this year round. I have some little white mini pumpkins from the farm, some are from the grocery store, and I put some extra eucalyptus leaves. A couple little tea lights. I wish I had little tiny like glass tea light holders for those, but I don't. And then as far as the place setting, this plate is from Dollar Tree. They have them online this year. They also have a version in stores this year that's like the updated version of this. Actually, you guys already saw what those look like. I showed you in store. And then this charger is from Dollar Tree as well. These are in store now. I bought both of these plates last year. I also ended up using the little glass leaf tea light holders. I think they're so pretty. And then these goblets are from Dollar Tree too. I think I showed you guys this in the clips as well. They are plastic, but they're the most beautiful amber color. And they don't really, I mean, they kind of look plastic, but when they're paired with all these other beautiful items, you can't really tell. And then my Moscow Mule mugs, I think I got them at, not Target, Home Goods or something. So yeah, like I was saying, the Moscow Mule mugs, you can get them pretty much anywhere. Target Dollar Spot has a Halloween version right now, but they are $7, which is I think more than just the plain ones at Walmart. So I checked Walmart first. And yeah, so I'm going to be making apple cider Moscow Mules tonight for us, so I will share that recipe with you guys as well. We had them Halloween last year for our little Halloween party, and everybody loved them. All right, so now for the apple cider Moscow Mule. This is for people who are 21 and up. I'm not really concerned. My analytics tell me that most of us watching this channel have at least hit their quarter life crisis. So you're going to need 2 shots of vodka. Typically I use Tito's, but this is some like off-brand vodka. Honestly, I'm scared to drink it on a Sunday night, but it is what it is. You're gonna need some apple cider, and then you're gonna need half a can of ginger beer per drink. So I'm not a bartender. If I do this wrong, don't be upset, but I like to pour my vodka in first. That way when I pour things in on top of it, it mixes on its own. But you're going to put half a can of ginger beer in each drink. Kroger usually has the cheapest ginger beer if you're looking for cheap ginger beer, because it can be expensive. And then I put like half of the amount of apple cider that I put ginger beer. So let's see, this is a 12 fluid ounce can. I put 6 ounces of ginger beer in the cups, probably 3 ounces of apple cider. This will replace your lime juice that you typically put in a regular Moscow Mule, and that's it. I just really eyeball mine. And you can kind of taste it and see if it's okay, and that's all I'm doing for these drinks. I said we were done, but at my house no drink is complete without a cute paper straw, so I added these ones from the Target Dollar Spot last year. So here is what we're having for dinner. Here's what the Crockpot meal looks like. It's basically like the chicken will just shred on its own. You could probably try to leave it in the whole breast pieces, but it just shreds as you stir it up. You can see the heat coming off. I made some biscuits, and this is a, what is this? Pecan bacon salad that I got from Kroger. Forget the name of it, but it looked good. And that's what we're having with our apple cider Moscow Mules. So we are finishing out the night with dinner. Not even gonna pretend like I don't eat more than one biscuit, because I do. What do you think? I'm not putting Jose on camera. Is it any good?
It's pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
How's your Moscow Mule? Did you have a sip yet?
Nope, let me taste. Tastes pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. It's pretty good. Okay, thank you guys for spending some time with me in today's video. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And I will catch you in a future one. Bye now.